Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow. Feel
Realme
like it's
10
gonna be
Pro
a
Plus
bad
just
day.
launched 2 days before.
Yeah, I'm
Fast
tired
refresh
of
rate,
shit,
OLED
and the
curved
cops
display,
getting
mid-segment
big.
5G
Goddamn, ain't
processor,
that
superb
great.
in design, huge
I don't
battery,
wanna go to
fast
work
charging and
cause
many
my
more.
boss is a
Today I
jerk
will
and
show
I'm
you
not even
unboxing and
that
first
paid.
impression of Realme
I need
10
a
Pro
change
Plus,
in
a
my life cause I
mid-segment
don't
phone.
feel alive and
Hey
there's
guys,
nothing that
Mikey
makes
from
me
techmaiky.
happy.
Please consider
Hope I
subscribing,
pay
turning on
for
the
a minute. I'm
notification
about
by
to quit
hitting
my
that
job,
bell icon
cash in for
for
a
more
ticket. I'm
amazing tech
going on a
videos.
trip and I
We have
don't plan
started
to
with the
visit.
quick
I'm gonna
unboxing
stay
just to
bitch
show
and
you
I
the
feel
box
like I'm
content.
winning it
In the
all.
box you will
And
get
this is just the
cardboard
beginning.
box
I need a
with
big
case,
change, help me feel
documentations
like
and
living.
SIM
I
tool,
need a
a
big
Realme
swing,
10
home
Pro
runs
Plus
I'm
phone
hitting. I'll never
along with
look
the
back, moving on
67
till
watt
I
power
get it
adapter and the
all.
USB-C
And we
cable.
all got
Now let's
dreams.
talk about the Realme
We
10
all
Pro
want
Plus design and build.
things.
The
But
back
what
of
you
the
gonna
phone
do
is
for it?
adopted
How you
a
gonna
star
move
design,
for it? What
the
you
first
gonna be?
prism light cone texture and
Until
the
you
stardust particle. And the overall use of the ultra thick coating technology makes the color of the rear case more layered and three-dimensional. On the top of the back, the foam prism pattern UV textured is superimposed inside and the coating to make the color brightness and the saturation higher. The effect is more real and natural and the texture is better and the combination of the two form of the effects of the light and the shadow flow. The lower part of the back adopt a new fluorescent process plus the ultra thick coating process. The combination of the two forms stardust particle. Under the reflection of light, the upper and the lower part form completely different texture. Realme 10 Pro Plus comes with the two ring camera modules, of which the main camera is 108 megapixel, which is located on the upper left of the back and presented separately in the circular ring. There is another ring module under the main camera, which is embedded with the 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens. The single LED flashlight is integrated in the middle of the right side of the upper and lower ring module. The volume button and the power button are located on the right side of the phone. Realme 10 Pro Plus brings an ultra thin body, only 7.78 mm, and the weight is only 173 grams. The front and the rear is hyperboloid design with 61-degree golden curvature, make the phone extremely comfortable to hold. On the top, there are secondary noise cancellation mic and the top firing speaker. On the bottom part, there are dual SIM tray, Type-C port, primary microphone and the bottom firing speaker. Now let's talk about the display. Realme 10 Pro Plus uses a 6.7-inch hyperboloid OLED screen with the resolution of 2412 by 1080p. Supports up to 120Hz refresh rate and 1260Hz instant touch sampling rate, and the supports high frequency PWM dimming up to 2160Hz. It is the first mobile phone that supports such high standard PWM dimming, and it is also industry's first OLED screen mobile phone that obtained TUV Renal and flicker free eye protection certifications. The front camera of the Realme 10 Pro Plus adopts a central punch hole design, and the 16 megapixel camera has enough resolution when taking a selfies. Realme 10 Pro Plus adopts a COP Ultra packaging process at the bottom of the body, so it is achieved an extremely narrow chin of 2.33 mm, even suppressing its own flagship mobile phone Realme GT2 Pro. Realme 10 Pro Plus is equipped with the MediaTek's latest Dimensity 1080 chip, which is based on TSMC6nm process technology. It consists of 2.6 GHz Cortex A78 large cores and the 6 2.0 GHz A55 small cores to form a octa-core architecture. According to the official data, the Dimensity 1080 chip's N22 running score can exceed the 5,20,000 among mid-range phone. Realme 10 Pro Plus has up to 12 GB of memory and 256 GB of storage, but the specification is likely to be a combination of LPDDR4X plus UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of camera, it is equipped with a 108 megapixel ultra clear main camera, secondary 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and the third 2 megapixel macro camera. Secondary Realme 10 Pro Plus is also equipped with the 3x ultra zoom technology, which can achieve a optical quality 3x zoom effect through a main camera. You can see a sample photos. Realme 10 Pro Plus is equipped with the 5000 mAh large capacity battery and brings 67 watt smart flash charging. It takes only 45 minutes to fully charge the battery. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any question, also give the video thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.